Hi, welcome to Mr. Finance Professional. In this video, I will try to make you understand about compound interest and its related calculation. So, no more waste of time, let's get started. First, try to understand the meaning of compound interest. This compounding method of interest added interest to the original investment and starts to earn interest itself. So, what we have understand that compounding interest method charge interest over its original investment plus previous interest. And here's the formula to calculate compound interest, which is S equal to x 1 plus r whole to the power n. Now, let's go for make yourself comfortable by doing a simple compound interest related problem. The problem is, suppose that $2,000 is invested today, so the requirements are what's the value of investment will be after 1, 2 and 3rd year. And the requirement 2 is what's the value of investment will be after 3rd year. So first try to solve the first requirement without using formula for your better understanding. Requirement 1. Value of investment after 1 year. Original investment was $2,000. Interest in the first year will be 2000 into 10%, which is 200. So total value of investment at the end of first year is 2000 plus 200, which is 2200. Next, value of investment after second year. As we already said that compounding method calculates interest over its previous year's total. Hence, the value of investment after second year will be total investment for first year and 10% interest for second year. And hence, the value of investment after second year will be 2200 plus 220 interest for second year. So total investment is 2420. Then the value of investment after third year will be calculated as we did just now for second year. Now come to the requirement 2, that what is the value of total investment after third year. In these types of problem, whereas questionnaire want to know the value of investment after a certain period, we should use the formula of compound interest. So where x equal to the original sum invested, which is 2000, and r equal to the interest rate, which is 10%, n equal to the number of periods, which is 3 years. So we have to find the sum invested after n periods, how much. So we have to just put all this information into the formula to find the total investment after 3 years, and your answer will be 2662. So that's all for today. Hope you will do exercise more at home. If you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for your watching.